Hi, I'm Dr. Chris McNeil with Chiropractors.com. And a common question I'm asked by my patients is, what causes back pain while coughing or sneezing? Now, what happens is, if you have a spinal problem, especially a disc problem, when you cough or sneeze, it increases the intraspinal, intradiscal pressure, and a already damaged bulging disc will even bulge out even more when you increase that pressure when you cough or sneeze. So that is what causes increased pain while coughing or sneezing.